Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of testing new facial kit. And before starting with the video, if you are new to my channel, then consider subscribing to my channel and join my family. And if you're an old subscriber, then thanks a lot for stopping by. Now in this video, I'm testing the facial kit from the brand Cheryl's, and this one is meant for oily skin. I got this for 250 rupees from Beauty Center. It consists of 6 sachets. So let's just start with the demo and review. So the sachets comes into a box like this, which has a color theme of white and blue, which gives me a feeling of clinic, like everything is going to be good like that. And everything is mentioned, like the number of sachets present and date and everything. And apart from that, even the registration number, everything is mentioned over here. Your sachets are inside this, that is, as I told you previously, 6 sachets for 250 rupees. Now what I'll be doing is that I'll start with the demo followed by review. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Step 1 is Clariwash, and after using this product, I actually felt that it really cleanses my skin from within. It states that you should use this and just clean it up with a wet cotton. However, I won't suggest that because it has a soapy ingredient in that. So if it gets inside your eye, it becomes irritating, because that happened with me. So I would recommend you to wash your face rather than just clean up with a wet cotton pad. But talking about my experience, once you are done with the cleansing, you will actually feel that your skin is extremely clean, and apart from that, your skin actually feels matte, so which is yay. Now step 2 is ClariBuff. As it states that buff, that basically means it is a scrubber. Now what I like about this product is the fragrance. It is extremely refreshing. It has tiny blue color beads, which actually makes you feel very refreshing. Now what you have to do with this scrub is that you have to apply it onto your face. You have to massage 3 minutes with a steam and 3 minutes without a steam, and then you have to wipe it up with the cotton. So once you wipe it up, you can actually see the difference. Those dead cells are actually gone, which is again yay for me. I absolutely love this product. Though I was a little bit harsh while massaging it, you have to be calm, but this is definitely a great product. Step 3 is galvanic gel. Now this is basically a gel which you have to apply it onto your face, and you have to use galvanic instrument. But since I didn't have it, so what I did was I massaged it onto my face for 5 to 10 minutes and I just cleaned it up. But if you have a galvanic, you have to give negative something like that, which is mentioned on the box itself. You have to give that power for 5 to 7 minutes. Since I'm doing it at home, I don't have that instrument. So what I did was put the gel, massage it for 5 to 7 minutes and just clean it up. That's what I did. But in case you even have blackhead issues, you can just use a Q-tip and just clean it up. Since I don't have it, so I didn't get into that process. Now coming towards step number 4, which is Clarisoothe. So this is basically a gel which you have to massage it onto your face in order to give soothness to your face, calmness to your face, because after scrubbing and putting galvanic and all those things, your skin becomes a little bit red. So it will soothe out your skin. It will give that calmness which is needed. And apart from that, since it is gel texture, that is great for oily skin people. You can actually massage it and you will see the difference. Once you wipe it up, your skin is actually moisturized, not oily but moisturized. Now step 5 is ClariMask, and I must say that I was really impressed with the mask. I was somewhere having that fear that probably after removing this mask my skin will get red, but it didn't turn out. Rather, it just soothed my skin. It leaves my skin extremely nourished, happy, at the same time matte, which is actually what I look for when it comes to facial. I absolutely love the mask. If it's available in a pack, I will definitely buy it because I absolutely love it, and it is great for oily skin people. Now coming towards step number 6, which is final step, and this one is ClariTone. As it states that this is basically a toner, and toner is great for oily skin people. Once you apply it, this is basically a water consistency. Once you apply it, it will leave your skin refreshing, matte, beautiful, happy skin, which I absolutely love. Now coming towards the final verdict, did I like this product? I would say that I love it. I love everything from cleanser to mask to gel. Everything was great about this facial kit. Would I recommend it to you? Definitely yes. What I like the most about this is that it leaves your skin matte, refreshing, happy, which is what I actually want facial to do. And apart from that, it didn't irritate my skin like Olivia did, which was a big disaster for my skin. It really didn't do anything. It worked, and apart from that, it really didn't make my skin red, which is yay for me. Out of 5, I'll give this product 5. The only con which I can think about this product is that the availability, but if you stay in Mumbai, just head over to the Crawford Market Beauty Center. You will get the product and try it because you're not going to regret it. That's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then do thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below if you want me to review any particular facial kit. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then what are you doing? Just hit that subscribe button. Do follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. All the links are in the description box. At the last, I'll say take care and stay pretty.